Alternative Ways to Read a Book, a Grade 1 Literacy Lesson. The purpose of this lesson is for you to learn an alternative way to read a book by reading the illustrations instead of the text. There is always more than one way to read a book. Today we are going to learn about one of the many ways to read a book. And guess what? You don't even have to know how to read the words in this book for this lesson. Wow! One way to read a book is to read the illustrations. The illustrations are the pictures that are in the book that matches the written story. Watch me show you how to do this. Let's look at one of our favorite books, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. On the first page, I see a caterpillar egg sitting on a leaf at night. Do you see the same thing? Good. This means we can read by looking at the pictures without looking at the words. Since one way to read a book is by reading the illustrations, next I see that the egg has hatched and that the caterpillar is walking around. Then the caterpillar goes looking for food. He eats one red apple, but he was still hungry. What else do you notice when reading the illustrations of the book? Now I want you to try and do this. Turn to the person beside you and share with them what the illustration says on this page. Wow! I heard someone say that it looks like the caterpillar ate 2 green pears. Let's continue to read the pictures. Now on this page, tell your partner what this illustration says. Yes, I heard a lot of friends saying that the caterpillar ate 3 purple plums. This is exactly how you read the illustrations. You are all becoming experts. Okay, boys and girls, let's add reading the illustrations as an alternative way to read books on our list. Thank you for watching. I hope this encourages you to keep on reading.